Google's first into the smartwatch game came in 2022 with the original Pixel Watch, and it was followed last year by the Pixel Watch 2, which launched in October. We now get our first set of renders for the upcoming Pixel Watch 3 thanks to 91 Mobiles and On Leaks, which reveal an identical design to the Pixel Watch 3. According to the leaked renders, the Pixel Watch 3 features the same design as the Pixel Watch 2. So, you're still getting the same circular bezel-less display with a rotating crown on the side. The Pixel Watch 3 is also tipped to feature a 1.2-inch display, the same as its predecessor. We can also see the Pixel Watch 3 running Wear OS in the background. The smartwatch will come in black with a matching strap, but should be available in more shades when it goes official. According to On Leaks, the Pixel Watch 3 will be slightly thicker than the Pixel Watch 2. This is possibly due to a larger battery inside the new Pixel Watch. An alleged Pixel Watch 3 was spotted on Decra and Safety Korea websites, revealing its battery capacity to be 307 mAh. We will most likely see hardware and software upgrades on the Pixel Watch 3. Previous rumors also suggest that Watch 3 will come in two sizes, a 41mm version and a new 45mm model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.